प्लॅन बी ची गरज आसा म्हणून टायम पावला की प्लॅन बी. यू हॅव बीन स्पीकिंग टायम अगेन ऑन दिस प्लॅन बी. यू हॅव रेडी विथ इट. ही ऑल्सो एप्रिशिएटेड युअर सपोर्ट वेन ही स्पोकन अबाउट इट. तुमचें कितें म्हणणें आहा तर?
एक इश्यू असा आहा की आमी जो सरकार मनोहर पर्रीकाराच्या नेतृत्वात घडयलेलो ताजें नेतृत्व आमी जेन्ना एक्सेप्ट केल्लें तेन्ना आमी डिस्पेरेट कोलिशन पार्टनर्स फ्रॅक्चर्ड मॅन्डेट जो तो म्हणटा फ्रॅक्चर्ड मॅन्डेट मेळिल्ली. आमी सगळे एक कॉमन मिनिमम प्रोग्रामा खातीर एक जाल्ले. हो कॉमन मिनिमम प्रोग्रामाचे खूब इश्यूज आहात. वन ऑफ वीच वी हॅव डिस्कस नाव. Preserving the architectural heritage, making Goa look different. This is also one of the common minimum program stands. So we are taking our ideology forward within the paradigm of this common minimum program. आता कितें जालां अशें दिसता की थोडे पॉलिटिकल डेव्हलपमेंट अशें जाता की सरकार अस्थिर जाला because allies are fighting one another. Very simple.
Correct.
See, allies can't fight one another. There is nothing called friendly fight. In politics, there is no concept called friendly fight. So, friendly fight जाता म्हणून आमी ते लोकांक सांगूंक लागले. लोक आमकां मानचे ना. आमकां only stake ना in the by-election. But when allies are fighting one another, there is a clear signal to the people that the government is not speaking in one voice. That we are not united. Now, if we are not united, what it means? We are disunited. And what is the next thing for disunity? Is a collapse of the government. So if this disunity is not, treated, or if it is not checked, then there is an imminent fall of the government then the people predict. We don't want the people to predict this. We don't want instability to be set in. Which is why I talked about a plan B. Because the plan A of uniting to form a government under Manohar Parrikar, if that is being threatened, then there has to be a plan B. And there is a plan B.
Who is threatening that plan A?
See, whichever ally is contesting against the other ally is threatening the plan A.
So do you mean to say MGP?
No, the MGP, if the MGP goes ahead and contests those seats, how can MGP be running with the hare and hunting with the hounds? English भाषेन एक saying आहा मरे, running with the hare and hunting with the hounds. You can't be doing both. दोनूय जावंक शकना न्ही. तूं सरकारान आसा जाल्यार सरकारा बरोबर रावचें पडलें. म्हळ्यार घटक पक्ष सगळे एक आसचे पडले. ना जाल्यार तूं सरकारान नाचचो पडलो. कितें तरी जावचें पडलें. म्हाका हें समजना सी. म्हाका ही लॉजीक कळना. And I have asked this question to the chief minister myself. कि बाबा हे तुझे कितें what you make out of this? And I feel even he doesn't understand the logic. I'm telling you, I think that even the chief minister is in the dark. फाल्यां जर ताका प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेवचें पडलें आनी जस्टिफाय करचें पडलें हें कितें तुजें दोन एलाय झगडटा आनी तुमी खंय एक आहा काय. I think even he will not have an answer. And it is high time that people who lead the state should have answers to pertinent questions being put up by the people.
Especially
मला लोक विचारतात मरे अरे तुम्ही हांगा सरकारान आहात तुम्ही थंय झगडटात. सरकारान आसा तुम्ही काय झगडटात काय? म्हाका दिसता सीएमा कडेन तुजो आन्सर ना.
So especially the plan B A which is threatened by this MGP.
म्हणून मागीर प्लॅन बी काडचो पडलो न्ही.
आनी तुका रेडी आहा?
प्लॅन बी 100% रेडी आहा. आनी तुका सांगता प्लॅन बी असो आसतलो की तो जर करना ना जाल्यार गोंयाक स्टेबिलिटी मेळची ना. गोंयाक स्टेबल सरकार जाय का नाका. खंयच्याय पक्षाचो लिडरशिपीन सरकार आसो तो पूण स्टेबिलिटी जाय काय नाका. जनतेक स्टेबिलिटी जाय नाका. अरे आमकां निवडून दितात लोक कित्याक? स्टेबिलिटी दिवपाक काय न्ही. काय एवरीडे सांगपाचें आज गव्हर्नमेंट पडटा फाल्यां पडटा. प्लॅन बी इज समथींग if the plan A is threatened. If plan A is being led by the BJP, which is at power at the center, power in Goa, we have given the maximum support to the BJP to form this government. We are loyal with Manohar Parrikar. I am perhaps more loyal than even the BJP MLAs. So आमी ताजे बरोबर सारखे राविल्ले आहा. आनी ताणें बी चिंतचें पडटलें. तो मातसो बरो जातकच ताणें चिंतचें पडटलें कितें करप तें हाचेर. करना जाल्यार इट बिकम्स अ लेम डक गव्हर्मेंट.